Hi, it's Karen. I'm in my sauna and I'm going to add my Google Hangout recording to my Google Classroom. So the first thing I'm going to do is open my Google Classroom where I want it to go. I always have my announcements for each week and I have my links, and that's where I'm going to put my recording. It's a natural place to put it. So I'm going to go to the three dots over to the right and I'm going to go to edit. Then I'm going to go all the way down to where you see add at the bottom left-hand corner. Click add and go to Google Drive. Now, when you're in Google Drive, you might come up in recent, but you kind of want to know where it is. So I'm going to show you exactly where it's located. So if you go to My Drive, you're going to see a folder that's called Meet Recordings. Right now I'm in List with details. I like that. Sometimes tiles come up this way also. This is the way it looks with tiles. I'm going to click and open up that folder. Now I'm going to assume that this folder is going to get more and more crowded the more recordings we do. And so notice that I have all of these recordings already in here. And when you record at Google Hangouts, it automatically creates this folder and puts those files in there. You just have to find them and add them where you want them to go. It's a really nice, convenient way to have things done for those recordings. So notice I want the computer week 1. I actually have 2 of them, so I have to go to the list view. We're going to need that eventually anyway, because we're going to want to know exactly the title of it and the time and when it was modified last. And so I have 2 from week 1. Notice I have documents, but I also have this this movie file. So you can tell it's a movie file because of the icon. And so you kind of have to look at that time that you did it. So we have 1302 and 1338. 1338 was a really short one that I did. So because I didn't stop the recording, I just stopped ended the call. It actually added it to my drive anyway. Took a couple minutes longer, but still did it. It's pretty impressive. So I'm going to click on the file that I want. It automatically it names it by the way you name that Hangout. And I'm going to go to add that. We're going to see that in my add file, the last thing is always what it is. So here's that video from week 1. And I'm going to save. And then you're going to see that it adds it to your Google Classroom, and you are finished. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.